Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to go over where you would locate your washing fluid reservoir for your windshield washer fluid. This is an S550 of 2010, and your washer fluid reservoir on this vehicle is on the front driver's side right behind the headlight. You've got a blue cap here. You would just pop this cap off. If this wasn't worn out, it would be connected here, and then you would pour washing fluid in here, whatever make you like. You can pour in here for your washing fluid and just top it off, and then you would be able to just put this cap back on and be on your merry way. If this is full and your washers don't work, well, then you'd have to look for other issues, being whether it's a fuse or whether it's the pump itself that's gone bad, and those are other things you would have to start checking into to find why you're not getting washer fluid up at the window itself. But this is where you would fill your washer fluid on your S550 of 2010. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.